This is one of the easiest sauces you can make, and it instantly makes simple food taste incredible. Fresh herbs, garlic, lemon, and good olive oil. That's all it takes. We'll start with a whole bunch of Italian parsley. The first thing we'll do is clean it. I like to pick the leaves off the stems and use just the leaves. Once the leaves are separated, give them a rough chop. You can chop them finer if you'd prefer. I like to keep them pretty rough. That way you get more texture in every bite. You can keep this simple with just parsley or add whatever herbs you like. Here I'm also using a little rosemary, thyme, and oregano from our herb garden. I'm making this go with the roast leg of lamb, so I chose herbs that complement those flavors. But you can really use whatever herbs make the most sense for the dish you're making. I'll also link the roast leg of lamb video at the end if you'd like to see how I serve it. Next, finely chop 1 clove of garlic. Garlic is one of those flavors that intensifies over time, so even though 1 clove might not seem like much, it's the perfect amount for this sauce. Especially if you make this ahead of time and let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours before serving. That gives the garlic time to really infuse the sauce with flavor. Next, we'll add our extra virgin olive oil. Then give everything a quick stir to bring it all together. The oil also helps coat the herbs and keeps them vibrant and green, slowing down oxidation. The last thing we'll do is add our lemon zest. I zested 2 lemons and added that to the sauce. If you're serving this immediately, you could also add a little lemon juice and season it with salt and pepper. But since I'm making this ahead of time, I'm just using the zest for now and I'll season it right before serving. I'm serving this with a reverse seared leg of lamb. I'll link that video here. And if you enjoy cooking like this, subscribe and gather at our table.